Halo, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Berjumpa lagi dengan saya Seperjuangan di sini. Kita akan menuju Curug Cikolawing yang berada di Desa Sukamulya dan Kecamatan Cikalongkulon ya.
Iya.
Perjalanan masih panjang. Mau tahu keseruannya? Tonton video ini sampai habis. Oke?
There's no more time to hide, because I feel again, I feel again. Oh, now I feel again. We're bringing this back to life. Help me find the right words to say to get us back on our way. Can we try to fight against the grain of throwing out what we made? The future's far away, but I will stay, because I feel again, I feel again. Oh, now I feel again. We're bringing this back to life. We're picking up where we left off and on again. We never quite could forget, 'cause what we got so intense.
Atoh naon?
The back and forth has got me so messed up. Don't ignore the signs. We've had enough of the whole damn thing that we got going. You hold the strings without me knowing. Why do I have to suffer through the thinking? Why do I have the feeling that we're sinking? I need to find a way. Find a way. Find a way. Find a way out. me turned around, but I can't ignore the feelings that I found in this whole damn thing that we got going. You hold the strings.